The blue-eyed cockatoo, Cockatoo ophthalmica, is a large, mainly white cockatoo about 50 centimeters, 20 inches, long with a mobile crest, a black beak, and a light blue rim of featherless skin around each eye that gives this species its name. Like all cockatoos and many parrots, the blue-eyed cockatoo can use one of its zygodactyl feet to hold objects and to bring food to its beak while standing on the other foot. Among bird species as a whole, this is relatively unusual. Description. Edit. At Walls Road Bird Park, the blue-eyed cockatoo is a large, about 50 centimeter long, mainly white cockatoo with an erectile yellow and white crest, a black beak, dark gray legs, and a light blue rim of featherless skin around each eye that gives this species its name. The sexes are very similar in appearance. Some males have dark brown irises and some females have reddish-brown irises, but this small difference is not always reliable as a sex indicator. The blue-eyed cockatoo is easily mistaken for the yellow-crested and sulfur-crested cockatoos, but has a more rounded crest with more white to the frontal part and a brighter blue eye ring. The blue-eyed cockatoo reaches full maturity after 4 years and lives an average of 50 years.